Hello lovely family and friends, welcome back to my channel Dovi's Kitchen. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I will be sharing with you how to make curry or turmeric or yellow rice. It's a very simple recipe but tastes delicious, so stay tuned and let's start. I have here some turkey wings cut into pieces. Let's start by seasoning our turkey with onion, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, dried thyme, salt, bay leaf, and curry powder. Let's add ginger, garlic, and spring onion blend and give it a stir. I will not add water. I'll allow it to release its own juice. I'll cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll stir it and add some water to it. Cover it and allow it to cook till it becomes tender. Our turkey is ready. I'll now remove the turkey from the stock because I'll use the stock to cook the rice. Let's strain the stock. I just added some water to it because I realized it will not be enough to cook the rice. We'll now put the stock on fire and cook our rice. After it has boiled, I'll add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir. This will give it a deep yellow color. Let's now add our rice. After adding the rice, I'll stir it and cover it to cook on medium heat. After 10 minutes, this is how it looks. I'll now reduce the fire and put it on low heat. I'll fluff it up, add some water and stir because I realize it's a little bit hard. Let's cover it up to cook. Let's now pour some oil into our pan. We'll let it heat up and then fry our turkey. We are using sausage for this recipe, so let's cut it into small pieces. Let's check on our turkey. I'll now flip it over and allow it to cook well. It's done. Let's remove it. It's nicely fried. Looks yummy. Let's now fry our sausages. We can also use liver. Sausage is ready. Let's remove it. We are now going to put everything together. Let's now pour some oil into our pot. Add ginger and garlic paste and stir. We can also use chopped ginger and garlic. Fry it for just 30 seconds and add our chopped onion. We don't want our onion to burn, so we'll fry it for just about 30 seconds. Stir it and add the carrots first because it's the hardest. I'll now add some chopped green bell pepper. Use any vegetable of your choice. All the veggies I'll be adding, in exception of the scallions, are frozen, so I'll increase my fire. Let's add our frozen corn and pea. I'll stir it and then add our frozen beans and stir. The high heat is to make the vegetables not to be soggy. I will now add some chopped red habanero pepper. I will stir and season it with chicken stock powder. Let's now add our sausage. Let's stir it and add the rice. After adding the rice, we will mix it very well. Don't forget, the fire is still on high heat. Look at it. Looks beautiful and looks yummy. Let's now add our spring onions and stir. Our yellow rice is ready. Let's serve. I will not lie to you, it was super delicious. Let's add some potato salad and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please like, share, leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks to all my subscribers and returning viewers. God bless you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.